This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the iPhone, sign into YouTube, and decide whether to use the app or Safari. Use the app if you have YouTube Premium, otherwise open YouTube. Com in Safari. Once done, find the video you want and start playback. Make sure auto lock is set to a longer interval or disabled temporarily so the screen won't sleep. This lets you reach the next step quickly. The goal is continuous audio while you switch apps or lock the screen. Next, enable background playback depending on the method. If you have YouTube Premium, simply start the video, then press the side button to lock the phone. Audio continues automatically. If using Safari without Premium, tap the Share menu, choose Request Desktop Site, then play the video. When you leave Safari or lock the phone, open Control Center and press play to resume audio. These steps work because desktop mode preserves. Finally, lock your iPhone or switch apps and verify audio continues. If playback stops, swipe to Control Center and hit play to resume. This often resolves a paused media session. Make sure Safari isn't blocking scripts or pop-ups that prevent desktop mode playback. If problems persist, close the tab, re-request desktop site, or restart Safari. As a quick troubleshooting tip, toggle airplane mode briefly, then disable it. This forces a network reset and often restores background audio without changing other settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.